What if AI is not removing some bias from our organizations, but quietly making some people disappear? We are expecting AI would make decisions more fair, more neutral, more objective. But in reality, it is doing something more subtle and more dangerous. It is not just optimizing the feature, but is encoding the past. That means that long-standing patterns, they don't disappear. Who gets promoted, who is heard, and who gets labeled as high potential, they don't vanish with AI. They scale with AI. And this creates a new kind of risk, especially for women in organizations. Not loud, not explicit, but systemic and invisible. A form of algorithmic invisibility, where contributions like mentoring, coordination, relational leadership, or emotional labor becomes less visible, less rewarded, and easier to overlook. At the same time, as organizations become more data-driven, we are narrowing the definition of value. What cannot be measured is deprioritized. What is not visible in the system does not exist. And what does not match with the model is not recognized. So the question is no longer AI, it is about leadership and management. What happens when empathy, relational intelligence, and collective awareness, they don't fit with the data model? This is what I call emerging belonging gap in the AI-enabled workplaces. A space where visibility, voice, and value no longer evenly distributed, not only by culture, but also by system design. That's why a practical model to detect invisibility, to redesign visibility, and to redefine value is needed. Because in AI-driven organizations, belonging will not be happening by chance. It will happen by design. So the real question is, are your systems making people visible or invisible?